Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
Hello everyone. In this video, I will explain how to make cool banners. First, you need to define your banner's purpose. Are you promoting an event, celebrating a birthday, or sharing a message? Next, select the right size and material. A standard banner might be 3 feet by 6 feet. Think about your audience and where it will be displayed. Finally, gather your basic tools, such as a measuring tape, a sharp pair of scissors, and strong adhesive. Now, let's talk about design for maximum visual impact. Choose a bold, readable font for your primary text, ensuring it is visible from at least 20 feet away. Stick to a limited color palette, perhaps 2 or 3 colors, to maintain a cohesive look. Incorporate high-resolution images or graphics that are relevant to your message. Always ensure there is excellent contrast between your text and the background for easy readability. It's time for the hands-on creation phase. Carefully measure and cut your banner material to your desired dimensions, perhaps a 2-foot by 4-foot size for a smaller display. Apply your text and graphics evenly and neatly, ensuring they are centered and straight. For outdoor banners, reinforce the edges with a strong hem or tape to prevent fraying. Always allow sufficient drying time for any inks, paints, or adhesives you use, typically at least 24 hours. Finally, let's get your cool banner displayed. Consider adding grommets every 2 feet along the top edge for easy and secure hanging. Before putting it up, give your banner a final check for any smudges or imperfections. Position your finished banner in a highly visible location where it will capture attention. Make sure it is securely fastened, especially if it's outdoors, to withstand wind and weather, ensuring it stays looking great.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.